pretty much going through it, checking it, put a new battery on here, wire problem. Just open this up to check it out on the inside. I see that the wire is already split. Got like a mouse or rat been chewing on them. Just need to be wired a little bit better than that. Sensor put back on here. You got more wires loose. The fuse is good. Get this going. I think it should crank back up. Stay tuned. Another satisfied customer. We got it back going. RC Stunto. New carburetor. Bypass the switches. Need an oil change because it stinks.
Hi.
This is my partner right here, RC Rick. You want to see my real face though?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is my partner. We're here making sure anything that don't run, it will run. You come Stunto and Rick. Yeah. So we're gonna do an oil change next, pour this out of here. Then after that, we'll be back doing wheelies. Oh, you see it. Gotta keep your engine looking cute. Put a little bling ding on it.
I love bling bling.
Bling ding on it.
Let me see that pretty little thing.
Oh, that's what I told her.
Look like something.
Yeah, that's a little bit. That's a little bit touch up. What's going on, fellas? How you doing?
Ain't nothing coming out. Ain't nothing coming out.
Alright, CV.
You might gotta dig in there. Okay, I see a couple drops.
That's about seized. Look at that.
Ain't nothing coming out. Huh? Ain't no oil coming out of there.
What do you mean?
That's why you're getting a couple drips.
Oh, okay. Use your mouth. Give me a straw.
No, I think it's better if you do it because you can show me how it's done. Look at that.
I need to do that.
Look, go get at this. Look.
Okay. I'm not my man. Which way you want to take off?
You coming out now? Shake it up a little more. It look like egg yolk. Ooh, wait. Ooh, I get it. How you doing?
I didn't see you.
Oh, come on in.
This is what the stick look like.
Woo. And that what it look like when it's coming out. Snot. Look just like snot.
What's wrong with that?
Ooh. It look like egg and yeah. Pop the air in the tire.
Oh yeah, gotta get it right.
I already had an oil change.
Brand new oil change, carburetor, air in the tires, new gas. We're ready to go. I'll do a ride on there in a little minute. Then I'll be done for the day.